सर यार ऐसे क्यों बैठे हैं?
कुछ नहीं यार, क्या बताऊँ।
क्यों, क्या हुआ?
यार जिंदगी से आवाज़ार हो गया हूँ यार। ये देख रहे हैं मोटापा, ना कोई लड़की देखती है, दोस्त मजाक उड़ाते हैं। कोई जब आज सुबह का मैं तुझे बताता हूँ, सुबह एक लड़का सुबह कह रहा था, उसने मुझे कहा रेस लगाओ, मैं उसे रेस लगा रहा था, उसे रेस भी हार गई, वो भी मजाक उड़ा के चला गया। जिंदगी से तंग आ गया हूँ मैं यार।
हाँ यार, दिल ना हार, अभी जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ है, जिंदगी बहुत ज्यादा है यार।
कुछ भी नहीं है जिंदगी में यार, क्या कोई फायदा नहीं है ऐसी जिंदगी का।
उठ यार, show them what you got. उठ, मेरे साथ चल।
Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo, let's go! Yeah! For those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Baddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home. That's when it's. Luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryder, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women want it, then rappers hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a